Welcome to part 2 of the paper piecing video. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna jump right in and get her face down there. Okay, I hope this is right because I'm still not 100% if this is turning out right. Let's get this other piece in here to fill in the gaps. That looks right. Yeah, it's got to be this way. Okay. Now I hope I have enough room for part 2 to finish this. If not, there'll have to be a part 3. So just warning. We'll see. Okay. I think that's right. Yeah, because this part right here is not supposed to be even because it's her eyelash. It's supposed to go narrow, which I didn't realize at first, but now it looks like that. See how there's a gap right there? There's not supposed to be a gap right there. So I don't have it 100% perfect. Maybe I should have done the middle piece first. So just keep that in mind when you're working on that piece. All right, well, we might as well get her eyes in and her tongue in there then. Okay, now here's a tricky part. Which one? Okay, I think, I don't know. They're slightly different. See, that doesn't look quite right. Maybe it's the other way. Ah, that looks better. See? Yeah. Once you get the eyes in there, that's like the best part. Really comes to life. I'm hoping that this is all staying in focus. This is my very first time filming me actually working on a project. So I will see when I'm all done how it went. So I'm definitely open to any comments or suggestions, but please be kind. This is my first time. I will get better with practice for sure. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know. And I will be happy to make more. Okay, let's see. Maybe down here. Looks like an easier piece to tackle right now. All right. Okay, I'm just going to lay these out before I glue them. First, let's see. What is this piece? I don't know. All right, maybe we can tackle some of these pumpkins. Now these are textured, so that's making it a lot easier. So I know which way is up. That looks good. And then this will probably go here. I'm going to put this one in first. Now this is so tiny, so I'm just going to do it on the paper. When I find that they're like just really small, it seems easier that way. For me anyway. Okay. And these are just going right in the center. Oops. Okay, so the orange. Oh, the orange does have a texture. Oh, wonderful. What's next? I am glad that these pumpkins are all different shapes. Or obvious different shapes, so it's actually pretty easy finding where they go. That goes there. Okay. Now I got 3 teeny tiny orange. Okay, so this one, pretty sure goes here. Okay, that looks good. I like to wipe off the tip if you get excess glue there, because you want the glue just to go where you want it. You don't want any mess. Just gonna get that. Okay. Perfect. I like it. Okay. All right, now what? try this one. Oh, it's textured, so I know. Oh, yeah, that looks perfect. Okay. Definitely helps when there's texture on one side to at least know which way is up. But you can't always find the exact color you want and the exact texture or smooth or what, so I just go with the flow. Okay, this one. Oh, perfect. Oh, this is looking really pretty. Okay. Well, let's see if this goes. I don't know. Oh, you know what? It's supposed to go up here. Oh, to shape her leg. Yep, I see it. And there's her knee. Okay. I see. Sometimes you're too close to it to see what it is, and then you back up and realize, ah, there's her leg. That's her little knee. Bent. Okay. Now, the top part. Try to figure out what these are. Oh, I think I see. Okay, so now this part's a little tricky. Make sure I got them going the right direction before anything else. Oh, I think that goes in there. Yep. So we need a little piece right there so that we know where those are going to go. So that is this piece. And it's textured, so I know it goes like that. And it's so small, so I'm going to go like this. Put this in here. Get the spacing, the black border. Now, that gives me kind of an anchor point to see where these go. And this little tip goes in that black part too. Okay, so now we got this piece. Goes this way. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick that down as well, and that'll help me center the others. Let me look at the time. We might be running out of time. Oh, we are. Okay, part 3 coming up.